The question says that a storage battery of car has an EMF of 12 volt. If the internal resistance of the battery is 0.4 ohm, what is the maximum current that can be drawn from the battery? So here the question is, there are two components. There are one component in this circuit, that is a battery of EMF 12 volt with the internal resistance of 0.4 ohm. Now we have to find out how much maximum current can be drawn from the battery. So the maximum current can be, in order to find out the maximum current that can be drawn from the battery, we need to get rid of all those extra components. So we have to close the circuit with just the battery with the internal resistance of 0.4 ohm. So after closing this circuit, we can give the expression for current as potential difference divided by resistance. Now here resistance is just the internal resistance of the battery, no other component. So V would be equal to 12 volt and the resistance would be equal to 0.4 ohm. Now using this formula, we get the value of maximum current as 30 ampere. That is, if there is no any other electrical component connected to the circuit, we can get a maximum current of 30 ampere with this 12 volt battery and internal resistance of 0.4 ohm. Thank you.